Psalms 1, Mizmor Aleph. Happy is the man who does not walk in the advice of the wicked, nor does he stand in the way of sinners, nor does he sit in the assembly of mockers. Instead, in the law of YAHWAH is his delight, and on his law he meditates day and night. And so he is like a tree, planted by streams of water, that gives its fruit in its season. Its leaf also does not wither. Therefore all that he does prospers. Not so for the wicked. Instead, they are like the chaff that the wind scatters. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For YAHWAH knows the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish.